Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for Google Pixel 6a. So in order to do this, let's open Google Play Store. Next is to search for an app, and here enter Microsoft Edge. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here you can sign in to turn on synchronization between other devices with this browser. I'm gonna do it later. Set up for your data sharing preferences, accept or not, and then confirm. From here you should be able to use this browser, so let's open, for example, Wikipedia. And as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.